In this video, we will explain how to move to the next numeric display each time we press enter on the numeric keypad. First, check each object name of the numeric display that you want to input continuously, because these object names will be used in the script. Next, create an integer variable input order that determines the input order. Open the block script editor and when the value of the input order variable changes, if the value of the input order variable is 1, then create the script that puts numeric display 1 in an input state. Copy the script that you created first and create an if conditional expression for when the input order changes from 2 to 5. Specify the object name of the numeric display to be continuously input to the dotted display input mode change script. Finally, add a script that sets the input order to 1 when the input order will be 6. Next, go back to the screen editor and place a lump switch that turns on the continuous input script. Change the object name to lump_ continuous input. Set touch operation type to bit. Operation to toggle. And destination to lump_ continuous input dot current value. Adjust the shape of the button appropriately. Open the block script editor again. When the lump_ continuous input object turns on, create the script that sets the input order by the input order variable to 1. Furthermore, when the status of the system keypad is hidden, if the lump_ continuous input button is on, create the script that increases by 1 the input order of the input order variable. Let's see how it works when the continuous input lump switch is turned on. You will be able to enter numbers continuously without touching the numeric display, like this. If you turn off the continuous input switch, you can also input by touching the numeric display, as usual.